So here is how we can set the Google Chrome as a default browser on the iPhone. Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first condition is that we have the Google Chrome downloaded from the App Store. So if you don't have it, you just get inside the App Store, look up for Chrome, and make sure you have it downloaded. And if there is an update available, it's always a good idea to click on the little update button to make sure you get the latest version of the app. Right, so as you can see, it gets installed rather quickly. And now that we have it on our phone, what we can do is to move to the settings app. And a part of the settings, you can see the regular stuff. And at the bottom of the page, you can click on the apps. And then at the top of this one, we have default apps. And you can pick the different categories of default apps for each thing, like for emails, for messaging, and so on. And one of the menus is going to be the browser app. And as you can see, in my case, I even have like 3 options to pick between. There is the Safari, which is the built-in, the DuckDuckGo, which I downloaded from the internet as well. And there is also the Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on Chrome, make sure that the check mark is next to it. And now it is set to the default browser. So practically it means that whenever somebody sends me a link over message, for example, or I click on some website somewhere, it goes to the Chrome instead of Safari to make sure that that is my main choice. So that's essentially it. It's pretty simple. That's how it works. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up to let me know, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.